Comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar.
Hello and welcome to Money on the Floor. I'm here to help you pick it up. Talking about arbitrage, talking about this new Apex, still in demo mode, still practicing it, still trying to perfect some trading. Right now we're waiting for it to go live. We're still waiting for our crypto debit cards, and meanwhile let's get to trading. Let's see what's really going on. Here we go. We got a good setup here on a 5-minute chart for the Bitcoin US dollar. We just had a win, but we're going to say this is going to keep going up. So we're going to go ahead and set our trade. So we got our trade going. We're waiting to see what happens. We're starting to move up. That's great. The market cap, we already took a buy earlier. We're just a tiny bit negative. We're waiting for that trade to finish up. Over here we saw a lot of green. We had a lot of green candles, so that's what we were hoping on. So that's why we took the market cap in the buy position to go long. Let's pull that out of the way. So right now we're still at the edge of going positive. We're hoping to go back to the top and maybe even a double top up here. If we can get 2 of these rectangles, that would be awesome. Now this here is our support. This would be the floor, where we bounced off earlier right here. And we're hoping to keep going on up to the top. If we break this support, the trade's off. It's a close. We just take the loss as quick as we can and we're done. So this is our line in the sand right here. Sometimes this here is like a consolidation from here to here. You could do a breakout, not take the trade till it completely breaks out or breaks down. This could also be a flag trade. Maybe this came all the way up. We're making a flag just to continue on up. So whatever we went up from here to here is what we're going to do from here to here. So it's hard to say. Regardless, we're going into profits, so that's good. This almost looks like a morning star. We got these 2 indecision candles, which if you consider them to be one candle, this here would be a morning star if this candle closes in the area that it is. But you cannot call it a morning star till it closes. So over here we have an engulfing candle which came down. So the 2 I like are the evening stars, morning stars, and engulfing candles. See right here we had an evening star went down, made a morning star going back up. Over here we had an engulfing candle. So you can see all the different patterns in there. Right here you got a morning star, engulfing candle. So it's always good to go back in the history and see what makes this thing turn around. Evening star turned around, went down, came back up. Now you have to remember, if you got an evening star or a engulfing candle, if it's up against a strong resistance, it may not penetrate through, so it might go the other direction. It's all because you're seeing something that might turn around. That could go for a flag pattern. If we got strong resistance up here and it can't penetrate, it's going to go down. This would be more like a triple top or a Head and Shoulders or something else. It's not what you thought it was. And sometimes we don't realize that till it's too late. So we're still in a little bit of profit. Our other trade, the market cap, is a little bit negative still. But right now we got another coming to the top. Hopefully it won't go back down, because we're starting to get a small candle there. Doesn't have any follow through, so it's a little scary. And since we're just going sideways, this could be going back down. Either way, we're learning. If you're always right, you never learn. You need to make mistakes, you need to be wrong. Then you go back and find out why you were wrong. What resistance did you miss? What support did you not see? What day trend line was going through there maybe you didn't see? Or was there a news event you didn't know about? You never know. But no matter what, when you lose, you learn the most. So make sure you go back and find out why you lost. Or was it just the market taking away 25% of my trades? Could be just that. So if I did nothing wrong, I followed my rules, I stayed to my plan, that's how it goes. But when you do take a loss, you need to investigate. And if you had a good win, why did I win? What was so great about that trade? So I can do it again. Isn't that the goal? Keep doing it over and over again. More wins, less losses. Sounds good to me. And if you cut your winners short, why? You need to find out why. See if you can prevent that, or if that's what it had to be. Maybe that was the time. Sometimes we cut our winners short and we end up not winning as much, so then the losers are able to take over, and we don't want that. We want to have the winners bigger than the losers. Now, we never want to have a winner turn into a loss, so that's another problem. So sometimes you have to cut the winner short. But you want to make sure you did the right call, so no matter what you do, keep a journal, or at least after each trade, go back and find out how it went. If there's anything you could have done better, anything to become a better trader, do a better job. If you do that, you will perfect your craft. That's what it's all about. And if there's something you don't understand, find somebody who does. Or try YouTube, try something. Leave me a comment, anything. Try to find out what went wrong. Was it just money management? Was it fear and greed? Did I get in at the wrong time? Never know. Need to find out. So right now it looks like we're consolidating back down. So it's not looking good for us, but we're still in the trade. Let's check out our market cap. Still a little bit negative. A lot of green over here. So I'm still hoping for that to go into profit. So we got a red candle again. So we're hanging in there. Just a little bit bigger. It's like it's coming after us. We get it closed past this point, we're out. Starting to look like an engulfing candle. That would be a sell trade. So let me go ahead and pause the video and we'll see what happens to this one. You never know. Okay, we finally got it going up into profit. We're going to close this out. Got another winner. That's awesome. Our market cap trade is still losing, but just a tiny bit. I think it's still going to go up. So wait till later and check on this one, see how it goes. All right, you guys, stay ARB strong. Hang in there. We bounced off support. It may still go up higher, but we're in profit, so that was enough for me. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.